Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a fall tutorial because it's September now and I'm excited for this heat to go away. And that's about it. I don't like the heat. I also don't like the cold, but I like spring sometimes and I love fall. So we're gonna be doing a burgundy look today. And I have a few ideas on what I want to do, which palettes I want to use. Probably gonna end up using the Norvinas again because that's all I use now. And this is until my Nikki Tutorials palette gets here. And I'm really hungry. I don't know why I started filming before I ate something, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Okay, but like, sometimes there are palettes that I have that I forget that I have. And I just remembered that I had one of these palettes. So I think we might use this instead of a Norvina palette today. It's the Colourpop Frozen 2 palette, the Elsa one. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty easy look, if I may say so myself. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So first I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade 38N, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my eyes. Little dots like that, and just blend it out with my finger. And now that the concealer is on, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade, can I read today? Okay, it's a Spindrift, and it's very pretty, deep burgundy wine shade. Oh, that's beautiful. And I'm gonna pack it on to my lid. My lid is still wet from the concealer, and then kind of blend out the edges. It's a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be, which is good. Just to blend all this out, what I want to do is take the shade Fire, and it's like a rosy mid-tone, not mid-tone, I don't know. It looks like a ballerina color, I don't know. And buff out the edges. Literally in art school for 3 years, and I don't know colors. Lovely. So now I'm just gonna make sure those edges are all blended out. It's so weird how it's like, you see the difference in this color? It's the same thing, but it's red in the pan, but once you start to blend it out, it turns purple. You see that? That's weird. That is so weird. Oh my gosh. And there's a lot. I can't show it, but there, can you see all that kickback in the pan? I'm gonna try and use some of it so it doesn't go to waste or fall on the floor or anything. That is really weird how it changed colors like that. Makes me wonder if it was intentional or not. I'm pretty sure it was intentional, but that is so weird. Now what I'm gonna do is take some of the same concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and do like a half cut crease. I'll stop about right here. Okay, and I'm trying to keep like half of the darkest part. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but there should be like a very dark line going from like the edge of the cut crease. So you see how there's like a little bit of a dark purple right there, almost black. Trying to keep that. That's pretty. So something like this. So you can see where like the very dark purpley looking color, it's supposed to be burgundy, and I'm so upset about a very dark purple looking color. Really wish that was burgundy. And this might turn out to be more of like a winter look than a fall look, but it's okay. Winter's around the corner, I guess. So now I'm gonna take this flat brush and take the shade Awakened. So the shade Awakened, it's being added on next to the shade Spindrift. It's almost the same color, but one just has a little flecks of like blue and purple and green glitter in it. And I'll just take our original brush, it's a Spindrift on it, and then blend that into Awakened. Pack it on and blend it out. Okay, now that I got the shade Spindrift on there, I'm gonna take the shade Winter. Is that? No. Water. Can't read. So it's the shade Water. And we are going to pack that on. Literally a winter palette, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm not liking the way that this outer corner's doing, so I'm gonna dip into the Misunderstood palette from Colourpop and just use the black just a little bit just to deepen up the outer V area. Okay, and now we'll take the shade Gale, the gust of wind that was in Frozen 2. We're gonna pack that onto the lid. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, still a winter palette, but let's go ahead and clean it up and I'll do my foundation and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. I do have on some lip liner. I did add lashes and glitter to the lids. I don't know if you guys can see that at all, but I'm gonna count it as a fall look because we are getting close to Halloween. So September 1st means that we are officially in Halloween season. So apparently August is too early, so. But I do have on the black lip liner from NYX and it is in the shade Alien, so they're suede lip liner. Yeah, in the shade Alien. And I do have a choice between 3 lipsticks here, all from Colourpop. This one, which is called Hello Stranger. I'm trying to see which one would match my eye look the best. We also have Sachet, which I think is closer than Hello Stranger. Let me pull that one back up. Look almost, no they don't. Yeah, this one's a little bit lighter, I guess. This one has more brown in it. And then I also have the Ursula shade, and I think I was leaning more towards Sachet. I'm gonna go with this one. I made a good choice with this one. I love dark lipstick so much. This makes me so happy. So I don't know if you guys were able to see that or not, but what I did was I lined the black around the edges of my lips. So I did my lip liner in black and then I went over it with the lipstick. So instead of it making that like line where you could see that I have my black lip liner, I kind of just like did a little bit of an ombre thing. And I really, really like this color, so I think I'll wear it more often. So you might see it in more videos coming up. And the glitter and everything. Oh my gosh. This is what I missed. I freaking love fall makeup. Like, I love it so much. For my base, I learned this trick on TikTok. So I just did my foundation like normal, and then I actually added setting spray. So some of this Urban Decay All Nighter makeup spray. I sprayed it on my foundation, like on my beauty sponge when I was applying it to my face. So I had the foundation on the sponge and then spray and then added it to my face. And then I did my concealer, what is it called? Concealer was normal, but my contour, that's what I'm looking for. So contour, I didn't go past my, like the peak of my brow, which would be right here on both sides, so it shouldn't have gone past here. I think I kind of moved it back there, but that's to make you look more snatched. So I'm kind of chunky in real life, and you don't want to go straight back, you kind of want to go up and out. And then I did the same thing for my blush, and then for highlight I just put it in one spot. So instead of it being like from right here all the way like right here, I just did it right here and kind of like buffed it out a little bit. And then nose contour, nose highlight, I did everything normal. I never do brow bone highlight. I just noticed that I literally never do that, so let's do that just because I feel like that will do something for us, I guess. And this is the same highlighter that I used for my cheekbones and my nose, and it's in the shade Honeymoon from Colourpop. Literally never do highlight on my nose or on my brow bone anymore. Add some more to the bridge of my nose just because I feel like it. I really don't remember which one I used for my lipstick. It was Sachet. So it's Sachet. Yes, I love this. I love this. This is giving me like 2015, 2016 Gabby. So I would always wear purple lipstick, like, but it was like a weird shade of purple, kind of like this purple. So I'm kind of like this purple. It's not this dark. It was never this dark. It was always this bright, flamboyant purple, and I could probably find a picture and insert it somewhere. Yes, so this would be it for the finished fall look. One out of many, I guess. Don't know how long this is gonna go on. I'm gonna count it as fall because it's fall time. It would be winter, but I don't like winter. I like fall. And so I'm gonna try, this was supposed to be a burgundy look, but obviously it came out more purple than anything else. So I'm gonna try and have some kind of like burgundy purple look up probably next week. And hopefully you guys do enjoy this, or did enjoy this video, and hopefully you do enjoy the next video and all the videos I make after that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.